ready to elevate your career with Microsoft certification. Introducing our PL-200 exam questions, your key to success in the Power Platform Functional Consultant exam. You'll find detailed questions, multiple choice options, and comprehensive answers supported by references. Navigate through our user-friendly interface and access a wealth of knowledge. Detailed questions challenge your understanding. Question and suggestion mimic exam scenarios, and our answers come with references, enabling you to dive deeper into the material. In conclusion, ABCertif is committed to providing you with the tools you need for success. From our quick note tools for efficient note-taking to our thriving community for collaborative learning, we're here to support you every step of the way. Stay tuned for more updates as we continue to enhance both the website and exam content. ABCertif.com